Evaluate 19 plus the quantity of 13 plus 14 minus 1 minus 20. Whenever you see a numerical expression and you have symbols, parentheses, operations, numbers, you are going to use the order of operations. A way to remember the order of operations is this word, PEMDAS. Now, what does PEMDAS stand for? Well, the P in PEMDAS stands for do everything inside parentheses first. Then move on to exponents. The M and the D stand for multiply, divide, left to right. Doesn't mean you always multiply first, doesn't mean you always divide second. It just means you go left to right, and if you have any multiplication or division, you go left to right. Then you add or subtract left to right. Doesn't mean you always add first and subtract second. You just go left to right and see whatever it is that you're supposed to do. Now, let's start out with P because I have a set of parentheses to worry about. So that parentheses, inside of it is 13 plus 14. Do anything inside the parentheses first, and 13 plus 14 is 27. Now, let's drop down all the stuff we didn't do. So that's 19 plus, and then minus 1, and then minus 20. Now, is there anything else I can do inside parentheses? No. Are there any exponents? No. Can you multiply or divide anywhere? No, so we're going to skip those steps. Now you add or subtract left to right. So since all I have is adding and subtracting, I'm just going to go left to right. 19 plus 27. If you're not sure what that is, there's absolutely nothing wrong with going off to the side and doing 19 plus 27 the old-fashioned way. 9 plus 7 is 16. Write a 6, carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 19 plus 27 is 46. Then we drop down the numbers we didn't do. Minus 1, minus 20. Now we still go left to right. So 46 minus 1 is 45. Drop down the minus 20. 45 minus 20 is 25. And that's going to be our answer. So that problem was a lot more involved than some of the other problems I did in my video, but boy did I have fun. PEMDAS!